I set out to sit down with a leading formulations chemist and come up with the best formulations where we would source our own raw materials. We'd hold ourselves 100% accountable for what those products would do and how they would feel on the hair. We didn't just want to be another hairdresser making a product line. The products have to do what they say on the tin. But when people ask me about my own beliefs, professional hair products should only find their way to a customer by the recommendation of a good hairdresser. And when somebody takes it home, we want to take responsibility for that too. We're proud to say we're sulfate-free, we're paraben-free, we're cruelty-free. We source our own materials, we make them in our own country, and we try and collaborate with the best individuals in their field to make products that have the best performance. But as a hairdresser and a stylist, I've always strived for great hair products. That certainly led to me creating the electric product line. And I think now that they're being used by leading stylists around the world and you see them in really great salons, it's a great compliment to me, and I feel that we're giving people something they can be part of. The great thing about the electric product line is it's easy to understand. We have 12 products in our line. As trends move, we're constantly working with new ideas. And it's important that when a product becomes no longer significant, we take it away and replace it with something up to date. That's why an ever-moving cycle is important. All we want to do is have somebody's hair protected, healthy, to style the hair in the way that texture of hair is meant to be styled, and to have something that people can go to and get the results they want.